Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Lug. Scotia Group Jamaica has reported a solid performance with the 6 months which ended April 30, 2025 with net income reaching $9.2 billion. This marks an increase of $665 million or 7.8% over the prior year. For the second quarter alone, net income was $5 billion, up $797 million or 19% from the previous quarter. The company says this was underpinned by excellent performance of its loan and investment portfolios. The group's Scotia Plan loan portfolio grew by 14% compared to last year, while its mortgage portfolio expanded by a robust 24%. The commercial loan book also recorded steady growth, up 7% over the previous year in the second quarter. Scotia Investments Jamaica delivered another commendable performance, with assets under management increasing by 12% year over year. The board of directors has approved a dividend of 45 cents per stock unit for the second quarter. The dividend is payable on July 17 to stockholders on record as of June 25. One Chinese cosmetics firm is eyeing Jamaica and other countries in the Western world as its next markets. And given Jamaica's love for beauty products, it expects to do well. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson is in China and filed this report.
Shandong is China's leader in agricultural production, but biotech firm Frida has added cosmetics to the province's top offerings. Its beauty products, made from natural blends, have found favor among consumers locally and internationally.
Now, the price of these goods obviously varies, some starting very low and some very high. The highest I've seen goes up to 1,600 yuan. That's about $230 or in Jamaican currency, about $30,000. Despite those prices, that has not turned people away from demanding these goods. In fact, the officials here says that their demand has skyrocketed.
Demand marketing has increased 10 times compared to 5 years ago. So which tells us that the demand for the cosmetics are increasing.
Now, Jamaica's own association with cosmetics and just general beauty supplies is well established. In fact, sometimes on the negative side with our well-known bleaching problem in Jamaica. But our market in Jamaica could find even more of these products coming on our shelves.
The Frida technology has gone overseas to expand their international market in some Southeast Asia area, like Vietnam, Malaysia, and some countries. And they expect to explore more markets in some other countries.
Now, me and several other journalists, we were given an exclusive tour of Frida's manufacturing plant here in Shandong. Now, we were not allowed to take a lot of pictures of the operations inside because the authorities explained that it is an increasingly competitive market and they want to protect their slice of the pie.
The company's biggest slice of the cosmetics pie currently is this deep hydrating spray, very popular among women.
70% of this ingredient comes from this factory. So they serve this kind of ingredient to the whole world. So the demand for this ingredient has increased during these years.
Beauty indeed sells. Reporting from Shandong here in China, I'm Dwayne Anderson for TVJ.
To news now on the stock market. The JSE index advanced by 1,347 points, while the junior market index declined by 40 points. The winners include First Rock Real Estate Investments Limited US dollar shares, The Lab, AS Bryden & Sons Holdings, Iron Rock Insurance Company, and JMMB Group Limited 9.50%. The losers include Jamaica Public Service Company 9.5%, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Paramount Trading, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, and Knutsford Express Services, 21 stocks traded firm. And trading ended with banks at Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $160.34. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $119.24. The pound is going for $217.47, while the euro is selling for an average $183.49. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Log. News from overseas and our bite of the week after the break.